Howdy tubers, in my last video I went over sharpening your chainsaw chain. This one I'm going to go over things I keep in my toolbox or my chainsaw. This is an old chain that I have, and it's quite wore out. I mean, it's kind of hard to show you here, but the teeth are a little wore out, and on this particular one they're actually starting to rust because I haven't used it. I probably could sharpen it because I haven't used it in a while, and that little bit of rust on the edge. So that's an extra chain, an old one. A plastic bag, it doesn't matter where it's from. This one happens to be from Mills Fleet Farm, which is a Minnesota-based store, I believe, that we have. So in case you need a plastic bag for something, I have that. This is actually an empty box that I wasn't going to throw out in the ground where I was, so I threw it in my toolbox. It was a free chain that I had got. Here's a replacement chain. It's brand new, never used. I always keep one of these with. I keep some rope in case I need some rope. So I have that. Some extra oil in case I gotta make some more gas. Usually I always go out with at least a half a can of gas. So I bring my oil. This is not the owner's manual for this particular saw, but this is for my Poland, my little saw that I have. So owner's manual. Always keep your owner's manual. Here's another handy dandy Dremel sharpening deal. I don't like this one. I think it's junk. The only way I'd use it is if I cut this off. This guide here I think is useless. It gets in the way. A pulley with a hook on it in case I need that for whatever reason. It has come in handy a couple times. And an old pair of jeans here for use as a rag if I need it. No, they're not short shorts. Sorry folks, you're not going to see me in short shorts. So I have that. Most importantly, every chainsaw kit needs a chainsaw wrench and screwdriver in case you have to tension your chain, or if you have to change a chain, if you have to work on anything while you're out there. These are 100% indispensable. You cannot live without one if you go out in the woods with a saw. Always have these. I actually have one in each one of my trucks. I have this one which stays in my chainsaw toolbox. I have one in my tractor toolbox, and I even keep one in my grandfather's tractor toolbox, and more than once he's appreciated that it was there. And that's it for what I have in this toolbox. I have another toolbox that I don't have with me. It's out at the farm that I keep a few other things in. Like I have a heavier rope than this. This is just kind of a cheap braided nylon rope. It's it's not a major thing, but it's nice to have it if you need it for anything. Maybe if you need a tourniquet because you sliced open your arm or something. Here is a chainsaw adjustment tool for the carburetor. This particular saw has a different tool. This is for my Poland. The Poland needs adjustment here and there to make everything run right, but it's an older saw, and it probably could use a really good cleaning and going through, but right now it's not running because I haven't used it in a while, and it had some gas set in it, so it's definitely going to need that cleaning. So anyway, that is what I keep in my chainsaw toolbox. Thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. I also keep my file in my chainsaw toolbox.